In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a Google Doc that a teacher has shared with you that is not open for editing, so you try to click on it and you don't have access to it. You can make a copy of this to your own Google Drive account and edit it there and then share the link back with the teacher. So first thing you need to do is open the doc. So there's the link pasted here. I'm going to copy this, open a new tab, open that document. Now, as you can see, I don't have editing access, but all you have to do is click on File right here. And this is if it's opening in the browser, so you definitely want to do it this way. Don't open in the app, open in the browser. It's easier. Click on File, and then you click on Make a Copy. And this is going to make a copy to your personal Google Drive, as you can see here. Now you can rename this so it's easy for the teacher to see once they receive it that it's yours. So erase where it says copy and put your last name, and then that will be your own copy. Click on OK. It opens your copy in a new tab and you'll be able to edit it there. Now you will have to click on the edit button and it will likely send it into Google Docs to edit there, but if not, it will let you edit within this document itself. So as you can see, I can now type on it. Now when you're ready to turn this back into the teacher after you complete it, go to the three dots at the top and then go down to Share and Export. And then you can turn link sharing on and copy the link. I always like to actually go to Share and then make sure where it says who has access. I like to actually change it there so I know for a fact that the teacher will be able to open it. So you click on Change, because right now it's just private to you. And if you click on Viewer, it will change it to anyone at St. Francis de Sales can view this document, which is what you want because you want your teacher to be able to open it. And if you click on it again, click on Copy Link, it'll copy that for you. Now go back to the assignment. And if this was an assignment that you had to like turn in over here, you would click on Submit Assignment and then click on Create and paste the link there, and your teacher will be able to grade it. If you have any questions, please let me know.